so excited about this project. For me, it's just important to note how important this project is. Those that don't know, our current police station is in the center of town, and our city's growing, and we have to serve our community better, and this gives us that opportunity to have coverage on this side of town, to make sure we have eyes and be able to access the various parts of town quickly.
As the city continues to grow, it's going to be more and more challenging for our police officers to get around the city. Having these facilities down here is really going to offer them the ability to deploy very rapidly, to have a quick response time, but more importantly, to become visible in this side of town where we hadn't really been that visible on an ongoing basis. Having the indoor range, not only does it protect us from the elements, but it provides us a safe method to train literally 24 hours a day. And at the end of the day, this is just going to continue with our mission of keeping everybody safe, keeping our city livable and sustainable for everybody. And that's what it's all about.
I am here today to present this certificate of recognition. We're extending most sincere congratulations in acknowledgement of your contributions to our community and the great state of Texas. I proudly present this certificate of recognition to the City of Denton in celebrating of the groundbreaking ceremony for the Public Safety Bonds Project Police Department, Headquarters Renovation, Substation, and Firing Range on behalf of Senator Nelson. Congratulations.